I received a tweet from a student tonight asking me how to add a Twitter feed to a Google site, and I'm going to show you how to do that. I actually didn't know how to do it right off the top of my head, so of course I Googled how do you embed a Twitter feed into a Google site, and I came up with this fantastic tutorial prepared at Monkey Raptor that explains everything. It looks a little bit intimidating, but I'm going to show you how I did it myself. So all of the information is here. You can just follow that URL as well. I'll make sure that that's available. But here's what I did. So just like in step one, it says create or grab your Twitter timeline widget code. So to do that, you have to go to your Twitter account, and I'm going to log into my Twitter account. Here I am. And under Profile and Settings, you can go to Settings, and you can go down here underneath of your account settings to Widgets. And when you're at Widgets, you can actually create a new widget. So click on Create New, and I'm going to create a new search, right? So this is what a search configuration looks like, right? If I wanted to create something that had just like a hashtag like that, I would do that. So I actually want to create one that is a configuration for U Ottawa EDU, and I'm going to click on Create Widget. Okay, so the widget has now been created, and what I need to do is copy this embed code that it generates for me. So I'm going to just Command C, I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to paste that onto a text editor file. Here we go. I'm going to create a new document, and I'm just going to paste it there. Okay, so that's code. It just looks a little bit intimidating also, but yeah, just you put it there, and I'm actually going to format it to make it plain text so there's no formatting behind, and you can see what happens there. Okay, now I'm going to go back to the tutorial by Monkey Raptor, and I'm going to grab this code. It says come back and grab this code, so I'm literally just going to copy and paste it, and I do that with a Command C. I'm going to go back to that text file that I created, and I'm actually going to Command V that. All right, now there's a line here that says this is where you paste the Twitter widget code. I'm going to delete that. I'm actually going to Command X and Command V. So I just cut it and I pasted it there inside of this code. Get rid of that line up there. And I'm actually going to save it. File, save. I'm going to save it on my desktop, and it's going to be uottawa.edu hashtag. Okay, so it's going to go to my desktop, save. Now this is where it gets fun. I'm going to close that, and I'm going to go to my Google site. So this is a Google site that I've created for EdTech resources at the Faculty of Education at the University of Ottawa. And I'm going to show you how to embed a Twitter widget on a page on a Google site. So I'm going to create a new page. I'm just going to call it New Tweets. And I'm going to create that page. Okay, so again, following the instructions from Monkey Raptor, I have to actually upload that file, that XML file that I just created. I have to upload it. It says it here. I have to upload it to my site. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So I go to, okay, I'm going to save this page first of all. So this is where the tweets are going to go. But if I go under my settings on my Google page, I'm going to go to Manage Site, and I'm going to go to Attachments, and I'm going to upload that text file. There it is. So I'm going to upload that. There we go. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that link address. And all I did there was I just right-clicked to expose that menu and copy link address. Okay, so that's important. Now I'm going to go back to my pages. Actually, I can do it from the same menu, and I created that page that's called New Tweets. Okay, so now I'm going to edit the page. I'm going to insert, and I'm going to insert a gadget, and the gadget is going to be added by URL. So watch this, Command V, right, and I'm adding that. I just put that link address into that widget, and I'm going to click on OK, and it inserts the Google gadget. And then if I save it, watch what happens. There it is. And voila!